Good evening, everybody. Tracking rain showers at this hour, but the trick is, when are the temperatures getting down to 32 degrees, and when does this change and create some slick spots? Here's the deal. Up here along 74 tomorrow morning, that's where you're going to run into slick spots. Elsewhere, looks to stay an all-rain event with temperatures staying above 32 degrees. But you'll notice the temperature difference by about 6 degrees from Rockville at 37, Vincennes at 43. By the time that rain gets to, well, north of Rockville, north of Paris, you get up here along 74, your temperatures will be down to 32 while everybody else stays just above that. So if you've got travel plans early tomorrow morning north of the Wabash Valley, just to the north of where we're at here, you're going to run into slick spots. Now here is the technical information out of this. As far as a winter storm, that's what it is out west. Okay, it's in the Central Plains. You've heard all the headlines about the craziness it's making as far as lots of snow. We're not going to see a lot of that, but we are going to see some of that. The first part of this is when that rain lifts up to the north, boom, there's where your line of 32-degree temperatures look to fall with this rain, and that's why there's a winter weather advisory for our closest county of Fountain County there. That's going to get us into tomorrow morning until 10 a.m. Warren County is just north of there. If you're up here in northern Vermilion County, Perrysville, I know a lot of you watch up that way. Do keep in mind that you're going to be close enough to this. You need to give yourself extra time in the morning, as freezing rain is going to be a possibility up that way. Let me show you again what's going on with this entire system. As it moves in from the southwest, we're seeing rain showers move into our southern counties now, but it's 43 degrees down there, so no real problems at all. By the time, again, this gets farther to the north, that's where we're going to get into trouble along 74. Not a lot, but it doesn't take a lot. We're going to have some rain showers with this changing into freezing rain to our north. Watch this clock take us into tomorrow morning. And here you go. The rain showers are already in our southern counties, but lifting up to about Sullivan, Greene, and Crawford County by midnight and shortly thereafter by 3 a.m. Temperatures mid-30s. This will continue to lift northward, and it's getting blustery outside. The wind is no fun out there, just letting us know it's still February and it's still winter by all means. But at 6 a.m., the rain showers lifting up, getting through Vermilion and Park counties, and by the time that rain gets to Interstate 74, your temperatures up that way will be down to 32, and that's why this pink little band of stuff, which would mean freezing rain and mixed precipitation, settles in. Rest of it still rain, and believe it or not, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, you're going to think I'm crazy by saying this, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we may have some thunderstorms in some areas. Not a lot. It wouldn't be severe weather, but just a flash of lightning, a rumble of thunder. Yeah, 8 a.m. with this kind of rain, it is absolutely a possibility. Freezing rain continues to lift to the north, and so while we're talking about 74, the interstate there to my north, dealing with this in the morning, that 32-degree freezing mark lifts to the north as this system moves in, so it's not really a threat for you other than just a couple hours in the morning. Temperatures lower 40s for everybody, scattered rain showers tomorrow. Then it gets colder on the backside of this system. This gets us into a couple days from now into Wednesday. We're talking snow showers on the backside of this. It will not be out of the question as we go through the day on Wednesday to see 1, maybe inch and a half of snow out of this entire system, so a pretty wild week. Freezing rain to the north, we've covered that. You know what I'm talking about with that. Rain showers elsewhere, 34 tonight. 43 tomorrow with gusty winds. We're going to see rain showers moving through pretty much everywhere. Back down to 32. This changes over to snow tomorrow night. 7-day forecast keeps us cold as we get into Thursday, even into the weekend. And on Thursday, it's just kind of leftover, I don't want to say garbage, but leftover snow on the backside of that, Patrice. But all those numbers below average.